Okay, good. The next thing I want to show you now, last night when you and I spoke a little bit, you said, boy, you got a WAVwatch. We all have a WAVwatch, okay?
Sure.
You said, is there a way that we can use, say, the pendant, or actually the pocket pendant is what I figured out for us here, with the WAVwatch?
Sure.
Yeah, there is. So let me show you what we did here. I took a wristband. You know what a sweat wristband is? I cut the edge of it, opened it up, and I faced the shiny side on the inside of the wristband, just slid it in there, moved it around so it doesn't fall out, but I cut the edge of the wristband. Okay. Now I put that on. Then I took all you people out there that have a WAVwatch now. Okay, check this out because it's going to blow you away. Now I put the WAVwatch on. Very, very simple. Now you set your WAVwatch to wherever it is. As we know, the WAVwatch, the frequency handbook has over 1,000 different frequencies in there for symptoms, conditions, and so-called diseases. So you set it for whatever you want. As that acoustic frequency comes out of the WAVwatch, goes into your hand, it's going to, now this is on the other underside here, okay, of the pocket. And
does it matter? Does it matter which side of the WAVwatch you have that on?
I don't think it matters which side. I just like it going through my body, so I have it on the inner side there. But it's going to pick up, the WAVwatch is going to pick up the frequencies, which is what? The biophotons now of the pocket pendant, and it's going to go through the body. Well, in doing so, guess what? It's going to bypass all this mitochondria that's in your body that we are going to take the stressors out of, that we are going to rebalance again. And being that the WAVwatch is targeted, you're going towards a special target, it's going to drag those frequencies to that whatever you set your WAVwatch for. Okay.
Yeah.
That's how we're going to do that, Dan. Okay. Very simple. Isn't that cool?
I think that's great.